Another tri-state city prepares for the possibility of minor to moderate flooding in the coming weeks. In our Flood Watch 2023 coverage, meteorologist Logan Williams looks at the steps Canton, Missouri leaders are taking. Logan?
Well, Canton, Missouri now joins the list of tri-state cities eyeing that Mississippi River level as it begins to inch higher. The forecast takes the river to near moderate flood stage by next weekend, and with those predicted levels, the city should be safe with some precautions.
At about 18 feet is when we really start looking at taking some action as far as closing our north floodgate that goes over Route B. As well, we are coordinating with our railroad representatives to close our 2 railroad gates that go through town. So that's when we kind of seal up the flood protection barriers.
The mayor says steps will also be taken to get equipment out of the Mississippi Park and postpone any camping reservations. From the Storm Track Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Logan Williams.
All right, thank you, Logan. And the mayor says recent levee upgrades will strengthen the city's flood protection as well.